So here's what you do. You get one of these expansion repair couplings, which looks like this, right? Then you take this part off. And you actually don't need, so you take that part off. Okay, this part you can throw away. And you take this part, that screws on to the tank, right? So then what you need is one of these, which is this thing here. It's a bushing, and it's threaded on the inside. See that? So you take this part, screw it onto the tank. Then you take the bushing goes on there like this. So now you have this attached to the tank, and it looks like that coming out. So now you can get your CPVC to go in there. So those are the two things that I used. I actually taped up, used plumber's tape on the tank before I screwed that on. So it's a little difficult to figure out, but that's what you need. Okay? And it looks like this. This part you throw out. You only need this end. Again, that screws onto the tank, like so. Tank's here, and then this bushing glues in there, like this. That expansion. So now you have a piece that screws onto the tank and has a threaded outlet that's sized down, and you can put your pipe on there. So that's what I did, and it seemed to work out pretty well. It doesn't leak. Like I said, I used plumber's tape on this end, on the tank, and put that in there. And that's $4, but and you end up throwing this part out. But you simply don't need it. So that's what I did to attach my CPVC to the tank, and it worked out fantastic. This of course gets glued, and then you're all set to go.